This is Beith Galet, a picturesque little village in the west of the Eryri National Park. It stands at the confluence of the rivers Colwyn and Glaslyn in the shadow of Moel Hebog. The village is probably named after the Celtic saint Celart, who lived here and worked here in the 8th century. One interesting feature of the village is this so-called Gelert's grave behind me, commemorating the faithful hound Gelert, who was mistakenly slain by his owner, Llywelyn, thinking that it had just attacked his child, only to discover that the dog had actually been defending the baby against a marauding wolf. In fact, the monument was erected by the owner of the nearby Royal Goat Hotel in the late 18th century in an ingenious attempt to boost tourism. The village is still very popular with visitors today. There are numerous hotels, inns and gift shops, and you can reach the village on the reinstated Welsh Highland Railway.